Hi, this is Cindy again. I'm here to share some time with you in our scriptures. I'm going to be in the Book of Mormon today in Alma, and I thought that I would share a fun technique that I have learned how to do, and that's doing a little bit of gold foil. And I'm excited to share that with you today. So I'm starting out by using the Book of Mormon that my sister and I put together, and you can buy that at the Etsy shop. So the first thing I did was I took the pages out so that I could work on them without getting the rest of the book a little bit dirty or getting paint on the other pages. So I took them out and I laid them out, and then I remembered, oh, I probably better put some paper towels underneath. And so first I guess I drew it. And so I drew it, and I decided I wanted to draw a sword of Laban. And so that is what I did here. And I mess up a little bit. Things don't have to be perfect. And so anyways, I erased it, and then I drew it again. And I am using a pencil that is called Derwent Sketching Medium Wash, and so that means that actually you can use it and you can use some water on it and it will clean it off, so it wipes right off. So pretty fun. Somebody gave me that tip online, and I thought, I need that. I hate erasing things and hate having the pencil marks stay there. So lots of times after I draw it, I'll just erase it so it's nice and light, and then it's ready for me to paint. I painted the sword with gold metallic watercolor paint, and then I painted the handle with some gold adhesive for the gold flakes to go onto. You let it dry for 30 minutes, and then you start placing the gold flakes onto it, and you just place it all around. And then once you've got it all covered, and you let it sit there for a few minutes, and then you take a really nice soft brush and you just start brushing on it. I'm going to wait until I start doing it. You start brushing away the flakes of the gold that hasn't stuck to the adhesive, and you just smooth it out, and it's so beautiful. It's really fun. And then any spots that you've missed, you can just put a little bit more glue onto and let it sit for a little bit, and then put some more gold on top of that, and it turns out really pretty. So make sure your brush is really nice and soft though, not anything hard. So you just really softly are just brushing away the flakes until it's just what you want it to look like. There we go. Turned out so cute. So here I am just adding a little bit more gold to it so that then it can just look all beautiful. So then I decided to use glossy accents to put over the jewels of the sword, and it just kind of makes it more dimensional and makes it really cute. So you just go around the shape and then fill it in, and then you do that to all the different shapes, and just let it fill in, and then you need to be sure to let that dry. I think it takes a good 24 hours for that to dry, but it turns out really cute and gives the page just a lot more dimension and shine and bling. Don't we all love bling? So that's what I did there. I have a couple different foils. This one's the deco foil, and this is metal leaf foil. And then the gold foil comes in sheets, and I think it's just kind of by wherever you buy this stuff. And it's beautiful, and it's really fun to work with. So have some fun in your scriptures this week, and check out some more of our videos. Click on the link at the end and like it and subscribe, please, so that we can keep making these videos. And please suggest things that you'd like to see, because we'd love to have more ideas, and if you'd like to see us do something, that we're happy to show you. Julie and I have been, we're remotivated to get going on our YouTube channel, so you should be seeing quite a few videos from us in the near future. So we will get back to you soon. And thanks so much for watching. Please like our video. Bye.